Do you think that Naveen Babu buckled under pressure?
Um, well, pressure maybe not the appropriate word to use because he's too much of a veteran and a seasoned politician to be doing that. However, it is also true that just before the Lok Sabha elections commenced, Naveen Babu had made a trip to Delhi to meet the BJP senior leadership at a last ditch effort, if you will, to still continue and go in for an alliance, which obviously, as we all know, broke down over the reversal of ratios that was proposed by BJP, of, which was the seats of 60-40 in favor of BJP versus BJP in the last Lok Sabha. And the BJP had proposed to change it to 12 seats for them and 8 seats for BJD in a reversal of that 60-40 ratio. Having said that, they decided to go it alone, and it's not so much buckling under pressure. The fact is that the BJP enjoyed brilliant relationship with the
If it is not buckling under pressure, then why did Mr. Patnaik had to go for an interview and state that he is not my successor? I'll come to you. Let me play out the bite of VK Pandian.
এইটাকে যদি প্রশ্ন পচারিবে তাহলে রত্নଭଣ୍ଡାର କଥା କହିବେ କି ଆହୁରି କିଛି କଥା କହିକି ଡାଇଭର୍ଟ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରୁଛନ୍ତି କିମ୍ବା ଆଶାଳୀନ ଭାଷାରେ ଆମ ପ୍ରିୟ ମୁଖ୍ୟମନ୍ତ୍ରୀଙ୍କୁ ଅସମ୍ମାନ କରିଛନ୍ତି। ଏଟାକୁ ଓଡ଼ିଶାବାସୀ ସମସ୍ତେ ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ ଓଡ଼ିଶାବାସୀ 1 ତାରିଖରେ ବହୁତ ଭଲ ଉତ୍ତର ଦେବେ, ଜବାବ ଦେବେ, ମୋର ଦୃଢ଼ ବିଶ୍ୱାସ ଅଛି। ଦିସ୍ ଇଜ୍ देयर कमिटमेंट टुवर्ड्स ओडिशा। यदि ए ऊपर प्रश्न पचारे से रागुंट आशालीन भाषा आम प्रिय मुख्यमंत्री की गाड़ी दौरान टॉपिक टाक डाइवर्ट कर मुद्दा उपरे उत्तर दबा साहस भी नहीं, दक्षता भी नहीं।
Fact of the matter is that VK Pandian is the most important person after Naveen Patnaik. He is the only person who has been campaigning across Odisha like a number 2. Pandian also has unlimited access to Naveen Babu. Naveen Patnaik has also purged other power factions within BJD, making him the sole leader of BJD today. BJD was full of leaders who had legacy. For example, when Biju Babu was alive, Naveen Patnaik's father, Nandini Satpathy, became the chief minister of Odisha. Indira Gandhi appointed her. Nandini Satpathy's son, Tathagat Satpathy, 4-time MP of BJP, has retired. The Deos from other side of Odisha are out. So multiple power centers are absent. Naveen Patnaik had to clarify, I feel, because of BJP's relentless campaign on who is running Odisha government and why an outsider has so much power and authority in the state. Obviously, the target was VK Pandian. Bijesh.
Well, absolutely buckled under pressure because, when Reni said that, he's too veteran a politician, he's almost as was like Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Because when you rule with absolute control, you don't answer or retort in a situation when the timing suits the opposition. The reason he chose to clarify that, his health and the successor is because he realized that, in the last 2-3 days, this situation had a potential of spiraling out of control. The footage of shaking hand of Naveen Patnaik and, Pandian promptly putting it behind the dais was a clear indicator that, that nobody would want people of Odisha to see that. He also doesn't want the simmerings in his party to reach to a level where we might see potential breakups. And that is the reason why two most important clarification. The first, VK Pandian is not his successor, and the second was about his health.